This is the beginning of the wiring harness. Tear down, tear apart. Got the blue-green connectors, one blue, one green. It's the full harness. 2005 6.0. Know it looks a mess everywhere. I got all the information, the printout, printed everything out. All the printouts and everything off lt1swap.com. Got everything you need. Be continued. Wrote blue green on them just because I get mixed up or something. This is a drive-by wire hookup. We'll be switching it to drive-by cable. Don't have the pedal, so swapping it to drive-by cable. Ready to get this bad boy started.